Alright, so it's nighttime. I saw this video on YouTube, and tonight, I'm gonna try to control my dreams. Everything is all set to go. Wish me luck. Huh. Here goes my alarm. It's the middle of the night. Surprisingly, I don't feel that tired. I'm actually pretty excited to be trying this technique. Wow, if I could control my dreams, there's a lot that I would do. I'm tired of being trapped in this prison all day. If I had a lucid dream tonight, I would go to a big city and the mountains and outer space. Well, here goes nothing. Wait, is this a dream right now? There's no way. Whoa. I'm in a lucid dream. The technique worked. But no, this is too real to be a dream. Alright, if I really am dreaming, I wish for there to be a portal right behind me. Whoa. Okay, why is it like that? Oh, right. I need to specify where it goes. How about a big city? That would be cool. Although, I should probably change my clothes first. Dude, this is so cool. I was just in my room, and now I'm in the middle of this massive city, where I can do whatever I want. I'm still shocked that this is a dream. I mean, look, I can feel things with my hands. This can't not be real. How could my brain create all this? Alright, if this is really a dream, when I snap my fingers, I'll be over there. It's getting a little hot. How about I go somewhere else? Maybe a bit colder, like the mountains or something. I guess I gotta make a portal first. I could use this portal to teleport, although why don't I try a new technique? Huh. I still can't get over how beautiful this world is. I mean, it's a dream. I can do anything I want, but it's satisfying enough just looking at my surroundings and knowing that I'm inside of a dream. Like, what? This snow right here, I feel it. It's cold and in my hands, and yet, now it's gone. Man, this is so much better than being in my room. I could go back to the city, or, you know what? Let's go to outer space. Whoa! Oh man, I feel kinda dizzy. Oh my goodness, I'm actually in space right now. This is so weird. I can literally breathe and I'm in space. If I can do anything, let's go to another planet. How about Mars? That would be pretty cool. Maybe I'll even see Elon Musk there. Well, it looks like I'm back here. I'm gonna do a little more exploring because, I mean, it's insane. I'm literally lying in bed, but I'm here. This is awesome. Wait a second. I probably shouldn't be here, right? I mean, you're not supposed to dream about real-life memories and places, or you could mess with yourself. But what happens if I go into my room? Whew. Aw man, I probably shouldn't have done that, but wow, that lucid dream was so much fun. I was in the mountains, space, a huge city, all from my bed. Wow, I can't wait to try this again tonight and do some more crazy things. Now, if you want to lucid dream for yourself and have your own unique experience like this, subscribe to the channel because I have tons of tutorials that will help you out. And these techniques really do work. If you want a part 2 where I film what lucid dreaming looks like from the first person perspective, like the video and share it with your friends. If it does well, I'll make a part 2. It was so much fun filming this and I definitely want to make more. Thank you for all the support on my channel. I love you guys and I'll see you next week.